Hello everyone, Mr. McCarthy here. Today is Tuesday, May 26th. I hope you're having a great week. I want to show you a couple of options that you have for the week to be active. Number one here is a bunch of choices that you can do. And when you complete one of these choices, either write about it, take a picture or a video, and please post it and send it to me. They are star jumps, lunges, plank pose, jumps, butterfly stretch, pretend to hit a home run, pretend to shoot a basketball, pretend you were jump roping. Free choice, squat, dance, arm circles, mountain climbers, do a yoga pose. What is your favorite exercise? What is your favorite healthy food? Run in place, jumping jacks, push-ups, sit-ups, skip in a circle, hop on one foot. What is your favorite sport? What is your favorite outdoor activity? Again, you can write about it. You can take a picture or send me a video of your activity. And next, hopping, skipping, and jumping for fun. 30-day challenge or until school is complete. Instructions: cut out each of the 15 activity cards. Spread them out face down on any flat surface. Randomly select 5 to 7 cards. Increase the challenge throughout the next 30 days by picking 1 to 2 extra cards to begin each new week. Complete the exercise on the selected card. Cross out a number for each day you exercise. And 6, how many days can you complete? So again, when you are finished, write about it, take a picture, or send me a video. And then finally, if you want any of the other additional activities, hop on to my materials tab in my Schoology page and let me know how you're doing. Send me some fun activities. Bye.